Good afternoon, Mayfield. This is Miss MacPhee, and it is Thursday, May 25th. It is our last homework of the year, and this is for my Math 6 class. We've been working on integers, positive and negative numbers, absolute value, the distance from zero, and we've also just started to talk about the coordinate plane. So I do want to remind you that the homework front and back, and if you put your name and your color, you will get a color point as long as your homework is turned in on time. I think we're going to look at the last problem together because I want to be sure that you're clear on the expectations for the quality of the response that I'm going to expect. For you to get 2 points, we need to be sure that you're doing more than just circling or underlining a point. Lynn drew this set of axes and plotted the points A, B, C, D, E on them. Identify as many mistakes as you can. So probably the best way to do this is to look at each point and see if it's plotted appropriately. Remember that when we're plotting points, we're first going to do our horizontal movement, left or right, depending on if it's positive or negative. We're going to do our run before we do our vertical move or our jump, and again, either in the positive or the negative direction. Always starting at the origin. So A, it says we're going to the right 1 and then up 2. So A is plotted correctly. B, we're going to the left, -3, and then down 5. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is plotted correctly. C, we have +5 and then +7. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. C should actually be at 0.57. So that is one mistake. So I'm going to mark that it's wrong, and I'm also going to plot the point. I might even, for A, just reinforce these points with you by making sure that I also list those coordinates. Let's check D. -4, so 4 to the left, and then down -3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. D is not correct. It looks like D, -4, -3. It looks like in D they actually flip-flop the coordinates. They did -3, -4. And when you flip-flop the coordinates, you do get a completely different location. And then let's look at point E. -4, +6. So 4 to the left and then up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So E is correct. All right, so I recognized my mistakes. I corrected them. I listed my other coordinates. This looks like a 2-point quality answer. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to let me know in class. Make sure you turn this in for our last homework of the year. Reminder, quiz next Friday, and that is also going to be the last day for any late or missing work. Most of you are doing an outstanding job turning your work in, but I did want to let you know that next Friday, for those few people who have a few things out, next Friday is the last day that I will take missing work. All right, as always, thank you for your hard work. I appreciate you, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.